Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnWeb Academy. In this video, I will show you how to install WordPress manually on your web hosting step by step. This method works on almost any hosting provider like Hostinger, Bluehost, Namecheap, SiteGround, GoDaddy, and more. Even though many hosting offer one-click installation, knowing the manual method gives you full control and helps you troubleshoot issues in the future. So let's begin. Download WordPress. We'll go to wordpress.org and click on Get WordPress and download the latest version from here. As you can see, the latest version of WordPress is downloaded now. Now the next step is to log in into your hosting panel. Since I have already logged in on my Hostinger account, and this is my temporary domain for now, and let me show you that nothing is on this site currently. And after this, we have to go to this file manager section. You can choose on any of your hosting. You may find option for a cPanel or H panel or control panel. You will just have to go to file manager on that, and you will find this public _HTML folder, and you can just delete this old file or any of the file that your hosting account already gives as a default. So you will find an option to upload your WordPress file here. So let's click on file and let's upload this. Now this is the file that we wanted to upload. Now the time is to extract this file, and we will just extract it here. I will just name this as WordPress, and yeah, it is extracted. This is the file that we had, but we no longer need this file, so we can just delete that, and let's select all of these, and we have to move this to the main as public _HTML folder, and we have to delete the old file. Let me check. This was the WordPress file we no longer need, so we can also delete this one. So these are the files that we left with. Now the next step is to create a database. We need database to run WordPress. Let's go to our H panel again and then search for database. Let's go to this management, and let's name this as maybe LWA test. You can name this as anything. I will choose the username also here. Note that the previous database should not conflict this username. That means it needs to be unique, and let's just name this as anything and just create. Alright, so yeah, it is created now. Now the next step is to connect WordPress with this database. As you can see, this is our site currently. We have to go to select any languages that you are comfortable with. I'm going with English and the United States. Now it is also saying us to get these details. So this full was the username, database name, and this full was the username, and let's enter the password now, and yeah. Alright, so now run the installation. Now you can give this a title. Maybe give this a title of brown duck, and brown duck would be the username as well, and brown duck at 123 will be the password. 98 123. Okay, for now it is good. Let's name this as brownduck@gmail.com. Make sure that the details should be correct, like it should be your email, so that it can help you in recovery of the password in case anything happen. Now you have option to de-index site. That means if you don't want Google or any of the search engine to index your site and get your pages listed there, so you can just choose this. But I want Google to index those pages and get traffic from there. I will not do that. I'll just click on install WordPress, and we have the option to log in now. Brown Duck. The password was brownduck@98123, right? And just click on remember me. And yes, we got WordPress installed on our site. So this is how you can also do that. And now if you want to just log in into your WordPress site, let me show you how you can do that. For example, this is our domain name. You have to go to this wp -admin, and then you can just enter the details. For example, this brown duck and the password 98123. Okay, 23, remember me, and then just log in. Quick tips after installation. We'll go to this plugin section and click and delete all of these plugins. Since these plugins are very old, so chances of getting malware injected on these plugins are very high, so we'll just delete those plugins. Now we will go to permalinks and change the post types, links. We'll choose this as post name and click on save changes. Now I'll go to appearance and we can install a theme. For example, maybe Astra theme. Let's install this. And yeah, it got activated, and from this plugin section you can install any of the plugin that you want. For example, building pages, you can use Elementor and click on activate to activate this plugin. So alright, this is how you can install WordPress manually on your hosting, web hosting, and that's how you can manually install WordPress on any of your hosting. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to LearnWeb Academy, and press the bell icon for more such tutorials. See you in the next videos.